All right, welcome back to Jeep Peep. Today's project, Ian wants to put red spark plug wires in place. We're gonna put the exhaust manifolds on so that we get everything set up right. And then we're gonna get that distributor set and dialed in to get the timing right. Let's get at it. All right, exhaust manifolds, they are ready to paint. And what we're gonna do with these guys is put some of this high temp coating, specifically for exhaust manifolds, out of the Eastwood catalog products. I've had pretty good luck with them. So these guys are gonna get a nice fresh coat. Okay, that is high temp coat number 3 on each of these exhaust manifolds. Pretty pleased with the way these guys have turned out. Get those dried up, on they go. And that's the oil pressure cylinder. We got a new one on here and it is tight. I'll tell you what, they didn't give you a whole lot of room to shoehorn that in between the alternator, the oil filter, and the block itself, but we got her in there.
First header on, looks good. Let's go to number 2.
I agree. All right, now before we put the header on this side, we've got to confirm that we've got this engine at top dead center. And what we understand, what we need to do, this is cylinder number 1. We can tell with the dampener up front when we're hitting top dead center, but we got to make sure we're on the compression stroke. So we're gonna have Kian put his finger in that hole. I'm gonna turn it. He's gonna make sure that we're on the compression side, line it up top dead center. Then we can put this header on with the spark plugs in place. Blanker plate going on. That is gonna fill the gap for the mechanical fuel pump. And in trade, we're gonna put an electric fuel pump on, which is going to help that electronic fuel injection make some horsepower.
The red wires are routed.
All right, header number 1 on Kian's side. Header number 2 on this side. That is really starting to dress out nice. We like it.
Next step, we need to trim these to length and put them in the distributor.
All right, we like what we see. We're continuing to dress out this engine with those headers on and painted. Ian's got red accents all over this bad boy now, and it's starting to look like we could drop it back inside of its frame. I approve, Ian. Keep going. Three coats of paint on those headers. Looking pretty good. Those installed nice and clean. We've got them all in place. Spark plugs torqued, gaps set, wires all routed, ready to go to work. Just gotta cut them to length with that distributor. Both sides in place, ready to go. I like it.